gynaes, I am Dr. Ertenisa Hamilton, Director of Primary Health Care, and I wish to thank you for tuning in to today's COVID-19 update. The situation in Guyana as of the 8th of June 2020 is as follows. As of today, of the 8 tests done, there are no new cases. Our COVID-19 deaths remain at 12, and the number of confirmed cases, 154. To date, the total number of persons tested is 1,816, with the total number of negative cases being 1,662. In total, 2,651 tests have been conducted. We currently have 84 persons that have recovered, 58 active cases in institutional isolation, 2 patients in the COVID ICU, and 40 persons in institutional quarantine. Many of you would have noted over the past 7 days that we have recorded only 1 new case. This does not mean, however, that we can return to business as usual. In fact, I encourage you to be extremely vigilant as our vulnerability for imported cases is heightened given the current situation in the countries around us. In the last 24 hours, Brazil recorded 30,830 new cases and 1,127 deaths. Suriname now has 90 positive cases with 8 new cases in the last 24 hours. And in neighboring Venezuela, there are 58 new cases. Fellow Guyanese, I wish to remind you of the important role you have to play in this crisis. If you follow all guidelines, we will be on our way to limiting transmission and flattening the curve, making our return to normalcy sooner than later. I plead with you for us to work together to defy the coronavirus disease. Now for the global report. According to WHO, the global statistics are as follows. The total number of cases is 6,799,713, with 397,388 deaths. In the region of the Americas, the total number of positive cases is 3,234,875, with 179,394 deaths. In this concerted effort, let us give kudos to the rapid response team, the mobile unit and surveillance teams, and the staff at the National Reference Laboratory, whose coordinated efforts are allowing us to track, diagnose, and manage patients in an efficient manner. Let us solidify our support for all our frontline workers. On June 14th, 2020, World Blood Donor Day will be celebrated around the world as well as in Guyana. We have all heard of the importance of donating units of blood. I wish to take this opportunity to thank all our donors and to make a special appeal ahead of June 14, 2020 to all donors and to those who have never donated to give voluntarily, as there is a need to continually replenish the blood supply and ensure its availability for our patients. As this year's theme states, safe blood saves lives, there is no fear in donating blood, as all the necessary precautions will be taken for donors' safety. So let us fill our blood bank so that our supply is not depleted. We continue to encourage all Guyanese to utilize the services available to you and call the hotline. Make contact with the health facility nearest to you or visit one of the COVID-19 facilities if you are experiencing any symptoms of COVID-19 or if you have been in contact with someone who tested positive. In unity, there is strength. Together, we will beat COVID-19. Thank you.